Welcome to this video on Python full-stack development. Learn to build powerful web applications using front-end, back-end, databases, and frameworks like Django and React. This path will help you create scalable, real-world projects and significantly boost your career. Python full-stack development is a comprehensive approach to modern web applications. It uses Python for the back-end and advanced technologies for the front-end. This in-demand skill set allows developers to create secure and scalable applications efficiently, opening excellent career opportunities. Why choose Python full stack? It is popular for its simplicity, versatility, and powerful ecosystem. Python's clean syntax and frameworks like Django and Flask enable rapid development of secure, high-performance applications, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals. Key features include rapid development and flexibility. Python's simple syntax and powerful frameworks enable faster application building. Its strong ecosystem and scalability mean Python supports everything from web development to data processing, ensuring high-performing, scalable solutions. Python full-stack development offers great career growth and high demand globally. Professionals can build end-to-end web applications with frameworks like Django and Flask. This skill set enhances job opportunities, salary potential, and flexibility to work on diverse real-time projects. Python full-stack development presents challenges such as the need for continuous learning and adaptability across front-end and back-end. Complex integrations, debugging, and ensuring security can be time-consuming, requiring strong technical understanding and multi-technology knowledge. The future is driven by AI, machine learning, and cloud computing. Trends include cloud-native development, microservices architecture, and integration with DevOps tools. Python remains a top choice for developers building flexible, high-performing, and future-ready solutions worldwide. Job roles include the Python full-stack developer, who builds complete web applications and ensures smooth performance and security. The back-end Python developer focuses on server-side logic and database management. The web application developer uses Python with front-end technologies to create user-friendly web solutions. In conclusion, Python full-stack development is a powerful skill for building scalable and high-performance web applications. The strong demand offers excellent career opportunities. Python remains relevant as technology evolves, making it a future-proof choice for a rewarding career in web development. Thank you for your time and attention. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please feel free to reach out using the contact information provided.